Hi friends, we're back here with Skills 5 Lesson 2. We're going to warm up with our new activity that we just started yesterday. I want to review that you put where you put your hands for each sound. If it's the I sound, you put your finger right below your chin or right on your chin. If it's the ah sound, you put your hands up like you're crying and say ah. If it's the ah sound, you put your mouth open wide and you put your one finger on your cheek. Okay, so I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to make the hand motion and say the sound with me after I do, okay? Parents, you will make sure that they are making the correct hand movement with each sound, okay? All right, we're going to start in order. I. Ah. Ah. Now I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to start with ah. Like you're crying, yep. Ah. I. Ah. Ah. I. I. Ah. Ah. Okay, that's pretty good. Just need to make sure that they're doing the correct motion. Whenever we review our sounds, I want you to make the motions with those hands also. So we're going to review all the sounds that we've learned. I'm not going to go in order, or actually I'm going to go in order, sorry. This first sound. Like the middle sound of drumming. Next sound. Ah. That's right, that's the one with the hand motion. Like the middle sound of mad. Next sound. Like the ending sound of mitt. Next sound. D. Like the middle sound of sledding. Next sound. This has a hand motion. Ah. Your finger on your cheek. Like the middle sound of mom. Next sound. Like the middle sound of hiccup. Next sound. G. Like the ending sound of dog. This one is another one that has a hand motion. It is I. Like the middle sound of dig. Next sound. Like the middle sound of running. Last sound on this page. Like the beginning sound of hat. All right. Next sound. S. Like the ending sound of dress. This next one. Like the middle sound of muffin. Next sound. V. Like the beginning sound of van. Okay, next sound. Z. Like the ending sound of jazz. Next one. P. Like the beginning and middle sound of puppets. Okay, this last sound. Eh. Like the middle sound of hen. Okay, and here is our new sound that we learned yesterday. That is a B, like bed. B, bed. Bunny. Bop. Bicycle. Bear. Our very new sound is the O sound. Say O. You put your tongue right between your teeth and you go O. Your tongue kind of floats to the roof of your mouth. O. Say lid. Line. Leaf. Love. Leg. And lassiter, like your teacher's name, lassiter. All of those words begin with the O sound. Now, all of my next words are going to end with the O sound. Say bell, pill, tall, feel, tell. All of those words end with the O sound. Okay, I want you to listen to my rhyme, and when you hear an O word, I want you to raise your hand, okay? I'm going to read it slow. Lizzie loves learning about lions. Last week, Lizzie learned all about the lions that live in Africa. Next week, Lizzie's whole school is going to the zoo to look at the large lions. Now, parents, if you would like to pause here and reread this to your child, you are more than welcome to do so. It is a difficult task for them to do, or a different activity. The class struggles with it. We usually do it about 2 to 3 times before they catch on. Okay, now I want you to listen to the words that I say and then repeat them after me, and I want you to tell me if it sounds like the O sound at the beginning. Okay, so say lick. Yep, that's got the O sound. Say nice. Nope, that one doesn't. Say life. Yep. Say leg. Yep, that one does too. Say run. Nope, not that one. Say like. Yep, that one does. Say leaf. Good job. Say less. Yep, that one too. Say man. Nope, not that one. Say laugh. Sorry, I said that weird. Laugh. Yes, that one is. Okay, now this is one of our easiest letters to draw. It is just like the number 1. You make a straight line down from the top line to the bottom line, and that's all you have to do. Super easy. Okay, here is the workbook page you're going to be completing. You're going to make the O sound at the top, and then at the bottom sound out the word. We'll sound it out together. O, et, let. Okay, good job. And then on the back of that page, you are going to read the word and then write it underneath the correct picture. Okay, so that is o-ip. So you're going to write that word under that picture, lip. Okay, next one is o-og. So you're going to pick Log or doll? Right, log. And then the very last one, egg. Are you going to pick an arm or a leg? Okay. And then this is the last part of the lesson for today. You are going to pause here. You need to make sure that you make the, oh no, you don't have any new letters today. So just with the chaining that you did yesterday, you will be able to complete these, okay? So pause here and chain the words together at the bottom. Great work. Keep it up, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.